fresh air. Yeah, let me out. But dogs out. Dogs, they need some air too. Yeah, but there they are. Yeah. Beautiful day to be out here with you and the dogs. Yeah, beautiful. Uh-huh. Awesome. Yeah.